Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. Today I wanted to share some happy mail that I received from a beautiful subscriber. Her name is Leona, and other than through YouTube, I don't actually know Leona. We've corresponded back and forth a few times, and she is just so funny. Leona, thank you so much for this box of amazing stuff. Guys, I have gone through it because I couldn't wait to open it. So first off, let me show you. We're going to do it at the end, but she put candy everywhere, all over the box. She put candy everywhere. So that candy is for my grandkids. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out each package individually and show you what she sent me. So first of all, I got to show you. I'm a coffee drinker. I cannot wait to try this coffee. So my daughter-in-law and my son are also coffee drinkers. So I'm sure I'm going to share this with them, and I am sure that they are just going to love trying this coffee. And I'm sure it's good. And she also sent me some tea. Oh my gosh, I love mango. So I can't wait to try this tea. It says Hawaiian Islands Tea Company. So, oh my gosh, I bet it's good. All natural tropical black tea. Oh my gosh, I just can't wait. I think I'm going to have some of this on Thursday night when I relax after Thanksgiving is over. I am going to try. I hope I can drink this hot. So I am going to try this on Thursday. Yes, it says hot. Oh, I'm so excited. Leona, thank you. I really am excited. And so I'm going to move the box out of the way and show you each package that she sent me. And she's already told me what is for who. So I know where everything goes, but I'm going to show you guys. So this first package has this and has a candle. Oh my gosh, guys, I wish you could smell this. It smells amazing. It says Hawaiian jasmine. Oh my gosh, I'm going to light this while I have my guest over on Thursday so they can enjoy something as well. So this is made in Hawaii, bungalowhawaii.com. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this really, guys. So Leona contacted me and she said, so currently she lives in Hawaii, and she is going to move from Hawaii to one of our states. So, and I don't know if she wants me to share that. She wanted to send me something from Hawaii before she moved away. And so, you know, we've always corresponded through my YouTube videos. She doesn't make videos herself, but she is a hoot and a holler, guys. Let me tell you. So this, I looked at and I thought, well, how does she know my size? It says Hawaii Island, made in Hawaii, USA, guys. So I opened it up and I thought, how does she know my size? It's not a clothing. It's not a piece of clothing. It is a bag, a sling bag, guys. Oh, it is so pretty and just screams Hawaii, doesn't it? Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It's got what is that? Hawaiian flower, hibiscus. So I forgot the name of this flower, but it's got the flowers all over. I think it's hibiscus. Anyway, it is so pretty. Bold pink color with the beautiful bold greens, and look at these centers on the flowers. So pretty. So I love it. Thank you, Leona. I cannot wait to use this. My brother and I are gonna take a trip here pretty soon, and so I'm going to use that. Guys, I'm excited to try this. So this is the next package, and this is a Aloha bamboo salt and storage box. Okay, it opens this way. It's got a little magnet closure there, and it's got a bamboo spreader. This is so cute. I don't know if I can, yeah, I'm gonna use it anyway. So it's got this package, and it is sea salt, guys. I can't wait for my husband to put this on our he prepares his meat before we barbecue. He will prepare the meat, and I just can't wait for him to use it, and I'm going to use it on baked potatoes. I bet you it is so good. And this would, you know, I could store that in here. And there we go. And then I'm left with this cute little bag. It is so adorable. So Leona, thank you so much. I love it. So this package, guys, is for my daughter, and she sent my daughter some bath sea salts, and I bet that's really, I bet it smells so good. Island Bath and Body. I bet it smells so good. I just don't want to, you know, take it out. Well, I can take it out, but like open it to smell it, because it's my daughter's. It can't smell it through the package. It is sealed, so I'm sure she's going to enjoy that. Thank you, Leona, from my daughter's behalf. Thank you for thinking of her. That's so sweet of you. And then, guys, she sent some tropical lip balms, and my daughter uses lip balm every single day, so I'm sure she's going to love this. Moisturizing lip balms made with macadamia nut oil. She's gonna love this. And then this is so cute. She sent my daughter a fan, tropical paradise fan, and this is the design on the fan. So again, I don't want to open it because this is for my daughter to open, and I just wanted to show you what Leona had sent my daughter. Thank you again, Leona, on behalf of my daughter. She sent this hook. It's a keychain, and it is a fish hook, and it says Hawaii on there. So super pretty. I just love that. It's made out of, I'm imagining wood or bamboo, but it is so pretty. Very pretty. And then she sent the Hawaii playing cards. Guys, we play, my husband and the family, we play cards every time we get together. Someone, usually us, crack out a deck of cards and we play cards. So this is definitely going to get used. And here is, you know, the Joker. Here is one of the images on the card. And again, I don't want to open it because this is, one was meant for my son. And then, you know, I'm going to let him, so I'm going to let him open that. This one is for my husband. And she sent him a deck of cards as well. And like I said, we will be using these. Thank you, Leona. It's got a little box and everything. And then she sent him the hook. This is one of those that you can use to open doors, to push buttons, and yeah, I love this. I love this, and it's made out of metal. It's really sturdy and strong. It says Aloha from Hawaii. Super cool. I love this. Thank you, Leona. My husband is going to enjoy his goodies. And then she also sent me this cute little sign for the house. I'm going to place this near the entrance. You know what? I'm going to put it in the garage. I just put new carpet or a area rug in the living room, so this is perfect. And we all use the garage versus the front door, so I'm going to, it'll be protected inside the carport. It's not a garage yet, but the carport. This is so pretty. Thank you so much, Leona. I love that. I love that. Thank you so much. And then for the grandkids, she sent a couple of paint by number sets. And that was very, very sweet of you, Leona. Thank you so very much. I appreciate it. I really do. My daughter, or my granddaughter, just loves crafts. So maybe she got a little bit of my gene in there, but she loves crafts. So this one is going to be for her. And then I have 2 grandsons, but one of them is a bit older. He's 10, and he doesn't like crafts at all. So of course he's a boy, but my younger grandson, whom is 7, does. So this one's going to go to the youngest, these for the 2 youngest grandkids. And thank you so much, Leona. I appreciate it. Thank you from them, because they are also going to get a ton. Oh, and this comes with, you know, the little palette, the brush, and the paints. That's so cool. They have everything they need to start painting. Love that. Thank you. And then let me show you all this candy, guys. It was so much fun taking all the candy out and looking to see what it was. So this is, it says Hello Panda chocolate. A chocolate cream center with a crunchy shell. So this is almost like a cookie almost, I guess. So she sent those, and then she also sent these, and oh my gosh, I've had one, and these are so good. I love these. It says plum candy, and oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to look for these online. And then she sent this one. It's a little fortune candy, and it seems like a hard shell candy, or a hard candy. She sent these little pineapples. These are gummies. So all this candy comes from, I'm imagining, the islands, because they all look like it would come from the islands. And this is, again, another hard candy. That looks interesting. Okay, and then she sent another color, which is yellow, and this one's a little softer. And yeah, so guys, remember the jars that I made? I'm going to put this candy in those jars. I'm going to put some shred at the bottom, and then I'll put the candies on the top, and this is going to look so pretty. Again, Leona, thank you so much. I really appreciate everything that you've sent, and your friendship as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.